Only 70% of people in Mali have access to safe drinking water. This is a worldwide problem, and it has become more challenging to combat due to climate change. In Mali, many families are facing problems with drought and water scarcity. Hi, my name is Jennifer Salmino, and I live in a small town in Mali called Bandiagra. I am the middle of 3 siblings. I have an older brother, Moussa, and a younger sister, Aminata. Our older brother helps our mom and dad with the chores, such as getting water, cooking food, and tending to our crops. Our crops are mostly millet. Fun fact about millet: millet is Mali's greatest crop. It grows everywhere in Mali, making it very affordable. We usually mash the grain until it's fine flour and then make it into porridge. Most people in Mali eat it 3 times a day because sometimes it is all that they have. It is served with 2 sauces, okra sauce and tomato sauce. In the 14th century, Mali was called the Mali Empire. The leader of the Mali Empire was Moussa Keita, who was said to be one of the richest people that ever walked the earth. But then, in the 16th century, the Mali Empire declined. The French took over and conquered us. In the 19th century, we became part of French West Africa, and in 1960, we gained independence. Here in Mali, the majority of people still speak French because we never returned to our native language after we were colonized. Mali is a beautiful country, from the food to the culture. The most common dish would be, as I explained earlier, millet. A traditional dish is tingwijna, a peanut butter stew with either lamb or chicken and chunks of carrots and potatoes. Another thing that makes Mali special are the griots. Griots are traditional storytellers, historians, or musicians. They are highly respected. And one last thing, we are known for our elephants. We have large herds of elephants in northern Mali, and according to my uncle, who went on a safari there, they are beautiful. Although our country is beautiful, there are still some major problems. One problem is poverty. Many people in my town and country are going through hard times with poverty and the issues that it causes. Many people don't have enough money to pay for food or medication, which can lead to many other problems. Another problem facing our country is kids dropping out of school and attendance being low. This specifically happens to girls in Mali. But in big towns and cities, this is not an issue. The biggest problem facing our country is water scarcity. It's hard to find water sometimes, and there's not a lot of it. Only 70% of people in Mali have access to water. We have a very short rainy season, and during that season, we get a good amount of rain. You would think this is good because we don't have much water, but because we don't have much water, the ground is very hard and dry. And because the ground is so hard, much of the water doesn't soak in, causing very big floods. We currently don't have any solution to getting water, but I think that a possible solution for the floods would be to drill deep wells into the ground, allowing the water to be absorbed. Here in Mali, many people are facing major problems related to water scarcity. Although Mali is facing many challenges, it is still a beautiful country. We have some of the best music in all of Africa. Well, at least that's my personal opinion.